using entrapment to get his information, and Ghanaians see that as good journalism. Good journalism. Mr. David, what pisses me off, they say, he does this because this thing that happened, 2018, 2018. So only God knows how much cinematography has been put into this whole. I suppose, but me, I don't care because the two people now or implicate you. I don't think they are going to get anything out of them. Number one, everybody who knows Dr. Bawumia, including those so-called NDC people, will tell you, say, yes, but corruption, he is not part of your corruption thing. Dr. Bawumia will not send anybody to go and collect money for him for anything. Even the NDC people will tell you. And then there were NDC for platforms, Bayer 2, 3, so. And all of them, I mean, and like this one, it's not even a joke. I'm not lying. This one is not for the first time. NDC people are defending Dr. Bawumia. So wait there, there is no way say Bawumia because it's not him. The man was the deputy governor of Bank of Ghana, where he smelled money every day. He's working for somebody who knows about being corrupt. Please. So I say we need to start thinking smart. Some of these things never in term. So I say, but one good thing about our now I'm expecting the NDC communicators to start singing the praises of Nanado. Please. Now let's get a bit political. Me say, I'm expecting the Buka Tentala Ya Pese NDC for communicators to start singing praises to the president. If the communique Eugenia Hensha Sebinensa Esha Sieno say ye brother Charles Edubuahe president say on fan eduman to ho na semna abani yen hwhwem say no credia. I'm expecting all the foolish NDC communicators who run from radio station to radio station talking about president is a clearing agent, talking about president doesn't let his people get prosecuted, to bow their head in shame and sing the praises of Akufo-Addo because he would always disgrace them. The God of Nanado would always disgrace these NDC communicators. And these days they will keep apologizing. These days we will not gonna joke with them. This time you ain't now. Said this time you ain't now. One more year you na you don't be court. What can you actually do court? Oba no be you are not. Akuba biku uko hu sa asem no okote wono fa beto woni yanhwebi sa wild allegations na some demfia kofa press conference no aso journalist for biguo boka for journalist no muguo ne ye twomotro dia sebe some demfi kan ye no yankohwehwe mu ehu se ye no kure se ye no kure ejimifo we ni mo fa no mo de tiom radio stations na false information kwa me say utie Ghana media ni bi utie bia you will never enlighten unhu hwe we ase you onte the ekosu. Hey, the ekosu no abeti because ade no kura ye serious kura na esa nkomo kan serious na ante no ye na de ayo aden me say yes say ana sare me ya waka me hu bi enye commercial ye ma news 6 o'clock news ana sare waka me hu bi ubechima ko the next station. See a kanyo, and now see a cano, and then they are buying mufuo. What why? Unim se utie comedy, se utie news, se utie comment you, se utie there because one what person what tina ni news no su twi ni makeup. Ni ehu so no su TV so kasa. The essence of the story not important. The facts of the matters not needed. What we need, more fire, sensationalization. Yes, sensationalizing BBR. That is what Ghana has turned to. BBR, yeah, sensationalization. That is what our Ghana now has turned to. And instead of us being at least in Kayama ya dream mumbi kakra na yen starting hu niam different no. We are still allowing these same people to come sit and lie and always deceive people. Wagwan, you good? Jimmy Ago? Alright. Yeah, big up yourself. Okay, you big jina na announce fui, wasia be you we, no the ajiska, no the ogunibutum, no the tonsase, no the. Let me tell you something. When I first saw the publication from Eugene, one thing I said, and they said, okay, so what is NDC people going to say now? Are they still going to say it's a president and he's shielding people? Now, I know the man Akufo-Addo is. He believes in law. So what I say, we are allegation here, they are tonoso, and I'm a boy, a allegation. They are a there. This is the part I make us say, I want to see what NDC people are going to say today. The president just didn't ask him to put a human down. The next instruction about and say, yeah, directed assembly the OSP, Office of Special Prosecutor. Best. One can say, Fatu and Akotine Fie Debi. Fatu, Nan Semona ye diato so say Wakano. Koyeden Kuyano. Enunti se oko. Nasa Semona sebe omodi atono so no se enye no kra. Ebede di se enye no kre. Se eye no kra. Ebede di se eye no kre. Akufo-Addo anka said the Attorney General's office investigate. Now what catch them say or claim because or you are buying lawyer. Is somebody following where I'm driving at? Like that's why I said now let's do a bit of politics now. For those of you who want to mingle with Dr. Bawumia, as if say, oh yeah, no, Munjai say Jimmy, it will never happen. But Nanado, the man now the bar stops with no, or see you say ena yaka. And one good thing also they say the president the shall say munumu na yehu asem no epimesibre, and that is how a president that is willing to fight corruption behaves. Again, he did not use a buying lawyer. When you sue the Attorney General's office to investigate this, Utie, he rather says, say, Office of the Special Prosecutor should go and investigate this. Until this one gives a year. Yeah, hello.
Bro, watch on the door. Nobody knows you. Watch on the door.
You know, this gives. This gives.
Don't play me anymore here.
This gives. This gives Charles Edubuahen. Utie. This gives Charles Edubuahen the chance, number one, Utie, to defend himself. Number one, to defend himself, and also mount a counter suit on Eagle Eye PI. Nti MPP for Munya Botre. The SC president say on fan the Juma and Toha say no kra, it is a good thing. The next thing that he has instructed, and then they say Yemma special prosecutor and him say no kra, say just allegation. Inti Charles Edubuahen has every right and every time to defend himself in court. First and foremost, on one case I say BB science here. Now since 2018, I try say I'm dragging it through this whole thing. The vice president now, who was supposedly on a year just command on out, ever make a statement.